Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an Oppo Find X5 Pro with a cracked display, and David is here with us to fix this issue. So let's get right into it. So right here, we're going to remove the back cover on this Oppo Find X5 Pro. And it seems to me that this has been opened before. The back cover just moves right out of the way. We're going to put that to the side here. And unscrew some screws on the bottom part of the smartphone where you can find the daughter board. This is where you find the charging cable. The charging port, and I think the SIM card tray. We're gonna remove the screws that we unscrewed here. There you go. We're gonna put the cover on the side because there's a antenna cable attached to it, and right on the corner just here is the attachment for the new display. So we're gonna attach the replacement display, see if it's gonna work with this smartphone, and there you go, it works right away. So we're gonna test it. There you go, the colors are brilliant, brightness is okay, and I think the touchscreen is also good. David is already testing cameras. We're gonna shut this down for now and remove the old display. So this is a good technique if you don't want to waste your time, and if you don't do this step, you won't know if the replacement unit that you ordered online is good or bad. So this is just a standard operating procedure. We're gonna remove the daughter board here. It's quite small, so it's very delicate. There's a lot of connectors attached to it. We're also going to remove this rubber grommet that facilitates the bend on the display connector, and we turn our attention to the broken display. Right here, there's already a gap that we can exploit. Put some IPA on it, make the adhesive get soft, and slowly pry it slowly, and we're gonna take our time. So we already showed you that this video has been fast forwarded a few times, but in reality it will take around an hour, 30 minutes to an hour to perform this job. So this video is just an edited version, of course. But if you want the professional help with your Oppo Find X5 Pro, then maybe you can head into Sydney CBD Repair Centre if you don't have a local repair service technician near your area, and he will do the same job here. We're gonna slice through this side to finally lift up the broken display. There's a bit of adhesive here as well, and we're gonna slice it through to reveal the internal components. There, you can still reuse these strips. I'm gonna slowly remove those with an X-Acto knife. So it's easy if you're just watching it through the video. If you are trying to DIY this, it can happen, it's possible. It's relatively easy if you have prior experience in opening devices, electronic devices such as a smartphone. But if you don't have the patience for this tedious work, just seek a professional to fix your smartphone for you. And David here is very meticulous when it comes to prepping the underside of the display for the adhesives. We're just gonna lay them flat so there's no gaps when we install the replacement display. There you have it. You can just install the new display at this point, but there's some gaps on the housing where the adhesive has been torn off, so we're gonna supplement it with our liquid adhesive. And I think David is gonna put all sides with liquid adhesives just to be sure, and we're gonna install it right now. We're gonna align it, make sure the front camera hole is clear, and press it in. So at this point, we're just gonna reverse the process. We're gonna install the daughter board, the connectors, covers and screws, and then the back cover, and we're done. So for the best service for Oppo smartphones here in Sydney, there's no question, Sydney CBD Repair Centre. If you have a local repair service technician near you, you can try them first. But David here has been doing this for a long time and he knows what he's doing. He's also a legend of the smartphone repair business. So there's a proof. Here's the final outcome. The cameras, touchscreen, and he seems thrilled about the results. So like and subscribe, guys. Follow us for more repair videos so you can learn more. And this is the before and after. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.